I'm Sagar Babar. I'm the founder and CEO of Collaborate Cloud. So I'm basically an entrepreneur, creator, and a tech aficionado. I have set up a IT services company previously called Snixus single-handedly. That was about 5 years back, and grown it up to about 35 users, 35 employees. And right now, I moved out of that, and we're setting up Collaborate Cloud.
I'm Gagan. I'm a CTO and co-founder of Collaborate Cloud. I'm a tech-savvy person. I used to work for Akamai Technologies before this. I saw a lot of pain points in the enterprise department of Akamai Technologies, so we decided to come up with a tool called Collaborate Cloud.
Collaborate Cloud is basically a social work management platform that allows organizations to connect, collaborate, and manage the entire work. It's like Facebook for your business, but more private and more secure, where all your employees would log in every single day, and all your communication, internal communication, your collaboration would happen within that. So we have communication tools like private messaging, group chat, real-time chatting, activity feeds. For collaboration, we have tasks, meetings, we have a calendar, and we also have an app store and an app builder. So an app builder would actually let you create apps for any business process and function. You could create app for an HR, you could create app for your sales, for your IT, and basically any business process at all. And the App Store would have pre-built applications and some API integrations already there.
And the best part of Collaborate Cloud is that everything is at the one place. It's a single platform where everything integrates seamlessly.
The idea was basically a typical organization would use 10-15 different applications for different business functions. So we're just trying to put together the entire platform, a seamless platform that will have all your tools right there. We started this actually last year. That's when we incorporated in October. And in March 2013, we had a chance to do a private beta with Titan Helios. And in June, they became our first paid customer to the platform. And we just did a public beta. We launched the product in August, and we've got about 120 users, paid users so far in our platform. And we have about 200 plus free users using our platform so far. So we've got pretty decent traction. We've had some challenges, roadblocks, but we've been pretty lucky being able to convert customers very early and being able to generate revenue very early on. We also showcased and featured our startup last year in Ireland, Web Summit, where we got decent traction, which fueled our aspirations and made us go forward with the whole thing. We're trying to target SMEs in different industry segments. We're trying to target companies who are working traditionally on emails, on spreadsheets. We're trying to get them on board to using this very organized way of working better. We have a business plan targeting about $1 billion valuation in about 5 years. We are scaling up globally, planning to set up offices in US, Europe, and all the business hubs out there.
We have replaced various tools like Salesforce and SAP Knowledge Warehouse for Helios. Now all those tools have been replaced by one single platform which we have built in the last couple of years.
Just stick to your plan, dream big, and be to it. I mean, keep moving forward. There would be roadblocks. Just keep moving forward. Stick to your plan, and you'll definitely see success. And as you keep crossing the roadblocks, you'll get more closer to your dream goal, your end point.